Today at Masala Hub, we are making lemon rice. Start by adding oil to your pan. Then add the mustard seeds and temper the mustard seeds for a little while. Be careful when tempering the mustard seeds, they tend to jump up, so cover your pan if needed. Now add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and stir fry the ginger garlic paste on low heat. At this point, you can add your turmeric powder. And we will be also adding some black pepper. Stir fry the whole content well so that everything thickens up. Turn down the heat and let it cool for a little while before adding the lemon juice. Then mix the whole content well. At this point, we can add the cooked rice. So now what you want to do is mix the whole lemon paste into the rice so that the rice is properly covered with the gorgeous yellow paste. Serve your lemon rice hot. I love my lemon rice with fish or even fried shrimps. You can even serve it with meat. For the full recipe, please visit masalahub.com.